I'm Larry Leffert, and for 42 years it's been my pleasure to call 7830 Schott Road home. The property does start here and then works its way across the yard. We've had 3 weddings out here. We've had a mini concert by Columbus Symphony musicians. Although this building was originally designed to hold some toys, I did build it a little bit bigger than I thought I needed. The wood-burning stove over here warms this space right up. There is water access. I had a new electrical panel, of course, put in here. Again, the design of this building allowed for a great space upstairs. One feature of this house has been this driveway. So when I designed this walk, I poured it with 5-inch thick concrete. The inspector came out and said, "Wow, a 5-inch walk, I don't see that very often." I said, "That's right, and you won't see many cracks either." Living in a woods like this, we have plenty of wood to work with. This outside staircase has been great access to my office, which has been upstairs over these years. That pretty much wraps up the outside of the house. So let's move on inside now to the front door. This stained glass. It took me a long time to find this door. I found it in Hinckley, Ohio. Come on into the living room. This is the only original untouched room of the house. My next project was this screen porch. It was kind of fun putting this hip roof within a gabled roof that's attached to the house. These are easy down, easy up. Nice French doors can open up during the warmer months. This is where we've used our hot tub in here, which has been absolutely great. It's enclosed. And moving into the family room, I took advantage of windows and skylights. This is southern exposure, so we get solar benefits on this side of the house. And by the way, something for the kids. Climb up the ladder, hand over hand, and slide down the pole for the monkey bar. And moving back here, I added this little room as a clock shop, as where I draw. I like artsy projects. Everything I've done in this house has been an art project to me. Most of the appliances have been updated. This is a new decor cooktop. This vent raises up and down here. These are all Amish cherry cabinets. Beautiful paneled staircase here. But I was able to cut into this and take these pieces out, put a door in for a Lazy Susan under the stairway. Unique feature here is the wood burner. There's an access door on the back of the wood storage area here so that you can load wood from the garage side. Original owner again took advantage of the space, built a cute little cabinet in here which we've used as a kind of a nightlight toy shelf. The home offers a beautiful master bedroom suite. Surround sound, great up here for watching movies. Underfloor heating, hot water underfloor heating up here, nice walk-in shower, and of course laundry facilities are back here. Having an office in the home has been very convenient, and this has been a beautiful workspace for me. Moving to the original side of the house, drawer space, full cabinets, every square foot that was available was taken advantage of. We've added paper lights, I put a shower in, we've changed quite a few things in here, but this original tile, it's just, I love the design of it and the color, and it's really what the house was all about. Hardwood floors throughout this area, and this originally was the nursery. So it became the playroom. I built this workspace for my wife to give her a little bit of an office area here. This patio is original to the house. It is what absolutely sold us on this. Stonework, built-in grill. This fireplace, we will sit out here with this fireplace. We'll bring a table over, we'll have dinner out here. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this home. We've enjoyed being out here for 42 years. As I mentioned, what a beautiful place to live, a beautiful place to raise a family, a beautiful place to entertain. How lucky we've been to have had the opportunity to live at 7830 Schott Road. I hope this motivates you to come out and take a look.